Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my another video, and this video I'm going to tell about the Mach number. And so in this video I'll try to clarify what is the Mach number and what's the relation between the Mach number and the aircraft speed. So coming after the intro. So friends, what is the Mach number? So before telling about the Mach number, I would like to tell something about the inventors of the Mach number. So the famous Austrian physicist Mach first introduced the Mach number. So he said the Mach number is the ratio between the aircraft speed and the speed of the sound. So if I denoted the Mach number is by m, so it's very simple equation, m equals to v by c. Here v is the objective speed or aircraft speed and c is the speed of the sound in that environment. Note that I am saying in that environment because speed of sound is varies from environment to environment. Like in the cooler area the speed of sound is different, and in the hotter area or the warm area the speed of sound is different. So speed of sound varies depend on environment. So it's very simple equation, you can see on the screen that m equals to v by c. Now I'm giving you a scale, Mach number scale. Like if any object or if any aircraft has the Mach number 1, that means this object or this aircraft flies with the speed of sound. That means it flies as fast as the speed of sound. If any aircraft has the Mach number 2, that means that this aircraft flies more 2 times the speed of the sound. If any aircraft has Mach number 5, that means it's 5 times faster than the speed of sound. So according to Mach number we can understand the speed of the vehicle or speed of the aircraft. So here I am giving the scale of the Mach number and scale of the airflow. Like there's 4 types of airflow, like subsonic aircraft or subsonic flow, and transonic flow, supersonic flow, hypersonic flow. So here you can see the scale that if any aircraft has the Mach number between 1 to 0, that means this aircraft is subsonic aircraft. If any aircraft has the Mach number between 0.8 to 1.2, that means this aircraft is transonic aircraft. And if any aircraft has the Mach number of between 1 to 5, that means greater than 1, this type of aircraft we call it supersonic aircraft. You might have heard that I have already used this type of word in many of my videos, that supersonic airflow, supersonic aircraft. So if any aircraft or if any object has the Mach number between or higher than the Mach 1, that means it travels faster than the speed of sound, this type of aircraft we call it supersonic aircraft. And if any aircraft has the Mach number greater than 5, those type of aircraft is called hypersonic aircraft. So here I am giving the scale of the Mach number and the flow type of aircraft, or you can understand the which type of aircraft is in which flow. Now I'm giving you an example, and with that example you can understand it very easily. So suppose consider a bullet that it travels in 510 meter per second. So this bullet has the speed 510 meter per second, and I'm giving you the speed of sound in that environment is 340 meter per second. So I'm giving you the both value, like speed of the bullet and speed of the sound. So you can calculate it. So pause the video and calculate this equation and answer in the comment. So exactly what is your answer? Is 1.5, right? So this bullet has 1.5 Mach number. Okay, just keep it in your mind. So I'm giving you another example, like if I talk about any fighter aircraft, if I say X-15 aircraft is very fast aircraft in the world. So what is the Mach number of this aircraft? So I'm giving you the same value of the velocity of this aircraft. Like this aircraft flies in a weather or in a condition, is the velocity of this aircraft is 6,635 km per hour, and I'm giving you the speed of the sound in that environment is 1070 km per hour. So calculate the equation, is very easy, right? What is your answer? 6.2 Mach number, right? So you can see that X-15 aircraft has 6.2 Mach number. So can you remember at the first that I'm giving you a scale of the Mach number? According to the Mach number you can identify what kind of aircraft this is. For the bullet it has 1.5 Mach number, so this bullet has supersonic. So we know that 1 to higher the Mach number is supersonic. So this bullet can fly in a supersonic flow. Okay, so for this X-15 aircraft, what is the type of that aircraft? So we can see that the Mach number of this X-15 aircraft is 6.2 Mach, so it's greater than 5 Mach. So what is the scale there? So we see that in the scale greater than the Mach 5, we call it hypersonic aircraft. So the X-15 is a hypersonic aircraft. So you might have asked me that why we should understand about the Mach number and why we should understand the flow type of the aircraft. So it's very important during the design of the aircraft, because when any object or any aircraft flies more than the speed of the sound, it has some effects on that object. It may rise in the heat, it may have the sonic boom, it may cause the shock wave. There's lots of factors when any object flies more than the speed of the sound. So I hope you got that point. So friends, what we have learned today, Mach number is very simple equation, and the scale of the airflow, and at the last we have learned that why we should understand about the Mach number and what's the relation between the Mach number and the speed of the aircraft or speed of the airflow. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you think that this video is informative, please share this video with your friends so your friends can be benefited from this video. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and most importantly, please share this video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. I will upload tons of videos regarding to aeronautical sector or aviation engineering. So I hope it will be enjoyable. So subscribe our channel, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and happy flying.